Hello again and welcome back to Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. Today we're looking at Song 40. O manatu ifonei ile satauro o Iesu, when I consider the cross of Jesus Christ. Let's take a listen to the tune.
O manatu ifonei ile satauro Iesu ele aiso to e whanau nau ime asao manao iai sei o momoli atunei lotino malolotonei atoa malo ananga foi iloani uaola.
So that's Song 40, when I consider the cross of Jesus Christ. The next two lines tell us what happens when we consider the cross. Iesu to e whanau nau, I mea sa o manao iai. I no longer desire the things I wanted or longed for. The word desire first appears in Genesis chapter 3. In that chapter, God is judging Eve, and he said, "Your desire will be for your husband, and he will rule over you." And then in chapter 4, we have the story of Cain and Abel. Cain was plotting to kill his brother, and God said to him, "Sin is crouching at your door. Its desire is to have you." In both of these cases, the word desire means to reach out or stretch out after something, or longing. Men everywhere and throughout the ages have desires and longings. And the deepest longing, of course, is a longing to be with God. So what's the problem? The problem is sin. Sin has separated man from a holy God. And the only thing that can connect the two is the cross of Jesus Christ. The second problem is no man comes to the cross on his own. God must draw him. And when he comes to the cross, he must come with repentance, gratitude, thanksgiving, and deep humility. Or as Paul said, "May I never boast except in the cross of Jesus Christ, through which the world has been crucified to me, and I to the world." So that's our truth for today when I consider the cross of Jesus Christ. And until the next song, may God keep you and make his face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.